Here we have number 4. You're asked to find the surface area and the volume of the ball. Again, the ball here are just spheres. So we're going to use the volume formulas here. First of all, you have to understand that all the formulas here will require you to find R. You have the distance here, or the diameter, and we know that the diameter is going to be, if you half that, that's going to get you the radius. So 8.5 divided by 2, that's going to get us R. R is equal to the value of 8.5 divided by 2. That is a 4.25 as the radius. Here I gave you the formula for the volume and the surface area. So the volume is going to be 4/3 pi r 4.25 cubed. So and that is going to be 4/3. We're going to leave it in terms of pi. 4/3, 4.25 to the third power. And this is going to get you roughly, volume is approximately 102.35 pi, right? And then let's do the surface area here, right? So we know the surface area is 4 pi r squared. So let me change color. Surface area equals 4 pi r is 4.25 squared. 4.25 squared, and that will get you the value of 72.25 pi. There you go. See, here we're giving the circumference. So we know the circumference is 2 pi r, and the circumference here is 9. So that's 9 equals to 2 pi r. We have to divide by 2 pi to both sides, so we get the value of r. 9 divided by 2 pi. I'm going to approximate this to the value of 1.43. Plug into the volume equation. 4/3 pi 1.43 to the third power. Leave it in terms of pi to the third power. And this is volume is approximately 3.9 pi. Let's do the surface area. The surface area is 4 pi 1.43 to the second power. That's going to be, surface area is 8.1796 pi, of course. So the question here for how many baseballs will fit inside a bowling ball. So when we see the inside, we are looking at the volume. So this is the total, right? So that is the 102.35 pi. And then we're going to divide this, because this is the bowling ball. And we're going to divide this by the base ball. And the base ball here, it is 3.9 pi. That's the reason why I left in pi, because you see how the pi's are going to cancel. All right, let's do 102.35 divided by 8.1796. Get roughly about 12.5 baseballs can fit inside that bowling ball.